When visionary filmmaker Drex, a trailblazer with over 20 million followers, joins forces with SmallRig, a leader in mobile content creation tools, the result is nothing short of extraordinary. The SmallRig and Drex ST30 Lite drop open selfie stick isn't just an accessory, it's a game-changing extension of your creative potential. As a travel-ready companion, the ST30 Lite is as discreet as it is powerful. The foldable design paired with a hidden clamp makes it easy to toss into a backpack or even a jacket pocket. Whether you're heading to a mountaintop for drone-style shots or capturing street scenes in the city, this tool is always ready. Stability is paramount in mobile filmmaking. The ST30 Lite's anti-slip silicone feet and extendable support legs ensure your setup stays put, even on uneven surfaces. It supports devices up to 1 kilogram, so whether you're using a large smartphone or a compact mirrorless camera, you can trust your gear is safe. The wide phone clamp provides a firm, secure grip, even during high-energy shoots, while the durable build quality guarantees longevity for everyday use. The SmallRig and Drex ST30 Lite Drop Open Selfie Stick raises the bar for mobile filmmaking gear. With its innovative drop-open system, versatile shooting modes, Bluetooth remote control, and professional-grade stability, this selfie stick tripod hybrid is not just an accessory, it's a creative enabler. An absolute must-have for anyone serious about smartphone video production. With the ST30 Lite, every story is within reach.